Meaning of funicular railway.
Funicular railway.
Funicular railway.
Funicular railway.
Funicular railway. A funicular railway is a type of railway that uses two cars connected by a cable to travel up and down a steep slope. The cable is powered by a motor at the top or bottom of the slope, and the weight of the descending car pulls the ascending car up the track. Funicular railways are often used to transport people and goods in hilly or mountainous areas where traditional railways are not feasible. They are also popular tourist attractions in many parts of the world, offering scenic views and a unique mode of transportation.